vlog takeover sa Swedish lalaki cousin. Here we are waiting for our pangit 4 hours trip to Baler.
We're going to Baler.
Corona babae.
Corona babae.
Where's your dad? Here's your dad.
Yeah. Waiting for the bus.
Yes. Outlet. Hello. White Vincent is here, riding, preparing for the Gago 4 hours to London. Journey drive to Baler.
Dito kami sa Cabanatuan, guys.
We are here at airport.
Nilipat kami ng bus. Aurora bus. Puntang Baler. We're going to Baler. With Justin.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Second bus. We're going to Baler now. So yan guys. 3:10 we live here in the Cabanatuan. Kumanaan ni Vincent. Vincent is eating again.
Yes,
Again. Vincent is always eating. Back to back. You give that to Mama and Eric.
No,
No, it's
it's mine.
yours. All yours, right? All yours, right?
So, tignan natin kung ilang oras, guys. So, guys, we stop.
We stopped.
Bus stop.
We have been traveling for
11, 12, 1, 2, 3,
6 hours.
Yeah.
6 hours. And ako po with masakit. Always sitting lang, no?
Oh.
Now we stopped here. Where are we now?
Pantabangan.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 hour na lang.
Yeah. And soon we come to my house. And here's Maria.
Yeah.
Ang Martin naman.
You gonna pee?
Yes.
No?
Distorya madre.
Wait. No?
Later.
Oh, again and again, I said this. Hello.
Here I eat with
Did you try that one? Go.
Para!
Guys, we're here. Bye-bye. Baler. Baler with friends. Oh. Oh. We're gonna walk. Johnny. We're gonna walk. Going to Vincent house.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
After 7 hours of Pangit road trip.
Because of the van.
Yeah.
The uncle driver of van is full. Full niya. So we're gonna walk pa. Malapit lang. Like Balikbayan si Vincent.
Me too,
And Maria. And Auntie Ida. Auntie Pangat. Auntie Pangat. And of course, Ganda. Charis. So yan guys, near na kami.
Hi, I'm pagod na.
On the way.
With our friends.
I'm not your friend.
Diyan yung bahay nila Vincent.
Dito. That's
We are here guys.
Hi. Guys. Mami.
Oh, Maria. Vincent, itim. Ah,
Geng geng.
night walk, night walk.
Nakadak na yung mo ate, mami. Nagbunsot ka yan.
Hi guys, we're here at Museo.
Museo de Baler.
Museo de Baler.
yata ni Baler ko.
With cousin. Oy, nakakawa na ako sa pagbadag niya. With cousin. Hindi na kasi 0.5. Oo. Museo de Baler. Yeah, Museo Park. Ayan. Let's go. Aray ko. With cousins and friends. Nabigat na.
Ha?
Nabigat. So yan guys, we're still walking. With my cousins and friends. We're going sa ano daw? Sa beach. Sa Sabang Beach. So yan o, welcome Sabang. So malapit na kami guys. Mga 3 minutes na lang. So, doon na, iwan na yung dalawa. Pipicture. So, mamaya ulit pag nasa beach na tayo guys. Let's go! So yan guys, nandito na tayo sa let's go! Sa Baywalk. Yung dalawa. Let's go! Dito kayo na nga to! Ayun, kanwalk din! Aray ko.